Hello student, and welcome to my online English video class. In today's class student, we are going to have lesson number 24, verb, the perfect tense. In the last classes we have completed tenses in simple future and future continuous. Then after chapter number 23, in which we have chapter number 22, in which we have completed simple past and past continuous tense. Then 21 chapter, in which we have been already completed simple present as well as present continuous tense. And in today's class we are going to have all the perfect tense in a simple in present, past and future. So without waste of time, let us begin the class. Here you can say that what written, you have learned about these forms of the tense time until 21 unit, and you have learned about that is about the fourth form of the perfect to rise. Student, it is tense, okay, not rise. Let me make it correct. It is tense, that is about. A B O U T, about the fourth form of the, already learned about the tense. Okay, that is left now. That is tense. T okay, T E N S E, that is tense. Okay, so in unit 10 you have already learned the tense together with the aspect of a verb tells us about time of an action and whether that complete or going on, that we have studied in last classes. Now let's move further. Now read, that is student, read. Okay, that is read. Read about 6 different perfect tenses form in this table. Okay, so first of all, for first person, second person and third person. Then after one by one we have a present perfect, and then after present perfect to continuous. Okay, past continuous, past perfect to continuous, and then future perfect, and then future perfect continuous. So in this table we have these tenses here. Let's see one by one. Okay, for present perfect, see there is a sentence and a structure as well. I have read. Okay, have plus read, third form of the verb. We have read. For the second person, that becomes you have read and you have read. In they both are second person. For the third person, for he she it, that becomes has, and for they, that become have. Okay, see in present continuous, there will be been plus ing form of the verb. Okay, so I have been reading, we have been reading. In second persons, you have been reading and you have been reading. He she it has been reading and they have been reading. Okay, so in present perfect you must observe, I hope that what we have used have plus third form, and in present perfect continuous has, have, been plus third form. This is the structure. Okay, so for the past we just use had plus third form, and for he she in both condition there will be had, either it is a first person, second person or third person. In past perfect to continuous we simply use been and ing form, so had will be first person, second person and all third person. Clear? Okay, for the future perfect there will be will, shall, have plus plus third form, and then after will, shall, have plus third form, and all the third subject will, shall, have plus third form. Clear? For the future perfect student, there will be will, have, been and ing form for the first person, then after will, have, been, ing form second person, will, have, been and ing form for the third person. So I hope these forms are clear to you. Now let's proceed that what is present perfect tense. See definition, it says what, that present perfect tense usually refer to an action that has been completed at the moment of speaking. Its form is have, has, past participle of the main verb that I told in your in that I told to you in the table. So what is present perfect tense? It is a tense that refer to an action that has been completed at the moment of speaking. Okay, at the moment of speaking, the action is completed in present perfect tense. See example, you will get more. They have broken doll. Sorry, they have broken down the wall. He has washed the dishes. Okay, he has washed the dishes. They have broken down the wall. The example. Okay, what about negative? So negative will be has plus not, that there will be not anything, this has plus not, and then past participle. She has not ironed the clothes. Clear? Okay, for interrogative, that will come up, and then after the same structure will be. So have I shown you my new paintings? Okay. Okay, then after that will be people. Okay, what is the let me check this in the example. We have finished the report. Okay, so that is another example. There is no use of that. I will cut it. I will cut it from there. Just wait. Or has her remark made people angry? Okay, people angry. Thereafter question mark. Another example. Okay, now more uses of present perfect tense. So first of all, you can see that it is used to show completed event, but those exact moment of completion is not known. Example, she has lent her book to Manu. When she has lent, it is unknown, so that is why it is used to completed action, but whose exact moment it is unknown. Okay, so the second says to show an action that has just been completed. Example, his flight has landed. It is just landed. Okay, so it is used for the action that it just has completed. Okay, so the third says to talk about an action which is started in the past and is still continuing. Example, they have lived in Kalimpur. It is Kalimpong for 20 years. Okay, started in past, but still it is going on in the present. So that is that. Okay, both the present perfect and simple past are to talk about finished action. Okay, what is the difference between these two? Indicated some connection with the present. Okay, so the simple past does not indicate a connection with the present. See. Okay, student, one thing I just want to make you clear here. It is saying that both the present perfect and simple past are used to talk about finished action. Okay, so what is the difference? How can you recognize in between two? So the difference is that the present perfect tense indicates some connection with the present. Okay, but the simple past does not indicate any connection with the present. It always have a connection of a past. Clear? What is past present perfect continuous tense? So it is a tense which refers to an action that is started in the past but continuing in the present at the moment of speaking. This form, as I already told you in the table. So that becomes, so she has been coming here regularly. So has been plus ing form in negative, has not been ing form in interrogative. That has word becomes first. Okay, now we use certain adverbs when we want to show when the action is when completed action took place. So for that we can use since, for, recently, long ago, so for, at, just, already, and still. So when we use these words, we can say that when the action has finished while using these adverbs. Okay, see example. We have already done this work. So the word already is talking about that this work has been already completed. She has recently come to Noida. Long ago, my parents used to live in Jodhpur. Okay. Then after it not receive has been quite well. Just arrived. Okay. Since, and then after for. So these are the particularly word with the help of that actual time is to be known. Okay. While the use of other adverbs is not troublesome, the usage of since and for can be a little confusing. We have to remember that since is used to show a particular point of time and for show a period of time. Example, I have been waiting here since 8 p.m. See the point of time from directly 8 p.m. I'm just waiting here, and I have been waiting here for 2 hours. Okay, here is giving for 2 hours. It is not turn. It is two. Student two. Clear? Uses of present perfect continuous tense. It is used to show action which began in the past and is still going on. He has been going to the gym for a year. Okay, and then after. We use present perfect continuous tense usually when we talk about long things have been going on. What about past perfect? So past perfect tense refers to an action that is completed at the point in the past before another action began. One action is completed just before another action is began. When using the past perfect tense, two action one following the other are indicated. Sometimes they are clearly stated, at the other times one action is implied. Example C. Okay, to form the past perfect tense we used had and the second form as I explained in the table. See the example, you will get it more. The boys had hidden the crackers before the teacher entered in the class. There are two actions. The boy had hidden the crackers when they had hidden before the teacher entered in the class. So before entering the class, the boy had already hidden the crackers. So there are two actions. One more I will tell you. He just had finished dinner when police rang his doorbell. Okay, when police rang his doorbell, he has already finished his dinner. So in such cases, the action which is completed first takes the past perfect form, while the action which is completed later take the simple past form. Example C. Perfect tense, the boy had hidden, that is the first action, and then after in simple past the teacher entered in the class, so that is the second action that will be in simple past. Clear? In the same way, in simple past that becomes he had. Okay, that is had, had. He had. Okay, he, no, sorry, past perfect, just wait. Okay, so past perfect, yes, he had finished dinner, and that is the first action. Then second will be simple past, the police rang his doorbell will be the second action. So what is to note, student, we use past perfect when while talking about the past we want to talk about an earlier time, then we use it. Past continuous tense is used to express an action that was going on for a period of time in the past which is related to some other event or action in the past. The second event or action may be started or may be implied. To form a past perfect tense we use had been and then ing form of the verb. See example, he had been trying to crack the IIT entrance exam for more than 5 years before he decided to give up. Okay, then I had been watching TV all morning and ended up having splitting headache in the afternoons. They had been visiting the hill station for last 10 years. So student, in this way we can say that we use past perfect continuous tense while talking about a past time that had happened in the past. A past time that had happened in the past, when we want to talk then we use in present past perfect continuous tense to talk about an earlier situation or action that had been continuous up to some time. Clear? Future perfect. Future perfect is used to talk about an action that will be completed before or by specific time in future. Its form will have and past participle. As I explained you that shall and will plus have plus past participle form. Okay. Okay, then after in negative that will become have, shall have not, will have not, and interrogative it becomes at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, what is future perfect continuous tense? It is used to express an action that will continue into future up to a specific time. There is a specific time in future that is talking about future perfect continuous tense. It is not very common in use. Its form will have been plus ing form, as I explained you in the table. Negative will be uh, negative or interrogative forms are rarely used in the same future perfect form that we have already discussed. Okay, so here exercise A has been given, student. I will read from the book. Change the tense of the verb. Here it says change the tense of the verbs in the following sentences as instructed. I have been listening to the radio every morning. That you have to change in simple present tense. Okay, so here the answer will be I listen to the radio every morning. So second says she prays for the well-being to the of her brother. That you have to change in present continuous tense. So that becomes she is praying for well-being for her brother. Number three, the girl runs very fast. You have to change into simple past. Okay, simple present. So that will be the girl. This girl runs really fast. Number four, the little boy eats everything he finds. You have to change it into present perfect tense. That becomes the little boy has eaten everything he could find, or he found. Okay. Okay, so one more thing, that will be he could find or he found. Just wait. He found. Okay, found. Clear? So number 5 will, student, number 5 become the teacher has given a test today. That becomes the teacher is giving the test today. That is you have to change in simple present continuous. Number 6 says have you waited long. You have to change it into present perfect continuous tense. Have you been waiting long? Okay. 7, she has worked here for 2 years. That becomes she has been working here for 2 years. So last is you have to change into simple present. Is she going to the school? That becomes does she go to school? Okay. Exercise. Okay, exercise B. Here exercise B is saying that you have to, okay, exercise B, rewrite these sentences by changing the tense of the verb as indicated. Okay, so the first is given. You can check the book. I am directly going to the answers, students. What answers are there? So for the second one, you have to go. Children were playing happily in the garden. Rushil has been studying for 6 hours. You lied to her all the while. I had finished my breakfast when she arrived. They protested the whole day. The soldiers were moving closer to the center of the town. No one had lived in that old house. The branches along the road will have been removed. She crossed the river over to the other side. Okay, and the 10th will be we have submitted our assignment. Okay, exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb as indicated. So these are the things that is indicated. You can check in your book. Okay, so the answers of exercise C will be, first will be will have been repaired, will see will be visiting, will have finished, will be staying, will be repainting, will leave, will have been tracking, then will you have finished, and will what. So these are the exercises that is based on this chapter, present perfect and past perfect and future perfect tense. So student, all the definitions you have to write in your book, and all exercises are to be done in your all exercises are to be done in your book, and definitions you can write in your copy. And student, till here we have completed all chapters of second term. The next classes will be of all revision classes. If you have not get anything, you can ask in your doubt class that will be available on the app soon. So student, till that time, thank you so much and have a nice day.